After unpacking, firstly prepare and install the base and battery modules. Mark the position of the brackets on the wall. Remove dust covers from the base, battery module and BMS before installation. Lift and place a battery module carefully on the base. Insert and tighten the fixing screws on both sides. Tighten the side screws and bracket screws. Connect the AC connector. Connect the CT. Connect the PV cable. Connect the dongle. In the X3 IES system, you can connect max 6 batteries. For 2-3 batteries, just install in one tower. When the inverter connects more than 4 batteries, 2 towers installation should be selected. Repeat the process of battery module installation, then place the series box onto the top of the second battery tower. Finally, put the protective cover on the top after finishing wiring. Turn on the AC breaker. Turn on the inverter DC switch. Switch the BAT switch to the on position. Press and hold the BAT button for 1 to 2 seconds. Turn on the inverter system button. For installer account, click the network configuration button. Select your device and scan the QR code of the Wi-Fi dongle. Please find your home Wi-Fi and enter the correct password. Once successfully connected, one device was added. For more details on creating an installer account, you can refer to the previous video or ask SolaX Tech Support for help. For end user account, click the Add button at the top right corner and choose Add Device. Read the guidelines. Choose the proper type of dongle and scan the QR code. Please find your home Wi-Fi and enter the correct password. Once successfully connected, one device was added. After the installation is done, you can check the following settings to ensure the inverter running properly. First, check the working mode. Enter the password and check the advanced setting. Check the safety code. Check the export control value according to regulations of your area. Check the meter and CT settings.